Blumenbach's classification of human races. A historical perspective on human diversity. Welcome to Anthronet Academy, a study aligned with the UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Watch till the end to know important book sources for UGC NET Anthropology. Introduction to Johann Friedrich Blumenbach. Born in 1752 in Germany, a pioneer in anthropology. A physician, naturalist, and early racial theorist. Developed a classification of human races in the late 18th century. Based his classification on cranial measurements and morphology. Advocated for the unity of humankind despite racial diversity. His work influenced early studies in anthropology and biology. Blumenbach's five-race classification. Introduced in his work De Generis Humani Varietate Nativa. Divided humans into five major races based on skull shape and skin color. Classification: Caucasian, Mongolian, Ethiopian, American, and Malin. Considered environmental and cultural influences on racial differences. Believed in the fundamental equality of all human races. Later criticized for its oversimplification but was foundational in anthropology. Caucasian race. Named after the Caucasus region, believed to be the origin of the race. Included populations from Europe, North Africa, West Asia, and India. Characterized by light skin, straight or wavy hair, and varied eye colors. Considered by Blumenbach as the most beautiful skull shape. Emphasized high cranial vault and symmetrical features. Term later used in racial discussions beyond Blumenbach's intent. Mongolian race. Included East Asians, Central Asians, and indigenous Siberians. Characterized by yellowish skin tone and straight black hair. Noted for a broad and flat face with a prominent zygomatic. Epicanthic fold commonly found in these groups. Blumenbach acknowledged cultural achievements of Mongolian societies. The term later evolved into broader racial categories in anthropology. Ethiopian race. Encompassed sub-Saharan African populations. Characterized by dark skin, tightly coiled hair, and broad noses. Cranial features included a prognathouse structure. Blumenbach opposed theories that linked African traits to inferiority. Recognized African diversity but grouped all under one broad category. Later criticized for oversimplifying African ethnic diversity. American race. Included indigenous peoples of North and South America. Characterized by reddish-brown skin tone and straight, coarse hair. Recognized for high cheekbones and broad facial structures. Blumenbach noted cultural richness but had limited direct study. Considered Native Americans as a distinct race despite variation. Later anthropological studies found genetic links with Asian groups. Malin race. Included Southeast Asians, Polynesians, and Pacific Islanders. Characterized by brown skin, wavy or curly hair, and broad noses. Distinct from Mongolians but shared some physical traits. Blumenbach had limited direct study on these populations. The classification was one of the least developed in his theory. Later merged into broader Asian and Australoid racial categories. Criticism and legacy. Blumenbach's classification was an early attempt at racial taxonomy. Later criticized for being too simplistic and Eurocentric. Modern genetics disproves strict racial divisions. His ideas contributed to biological anthropology and racial discussions. Advocated for racial equality, unlike many contemporaries. Today, race is seen as a social construct rather than a biological one. Conclusion: Blumenbach's five-race model was influential but outdated. Helped shape early studies of human variation and anthropology. Race is now understood as a cultural and historical concept. Scientific research now focuses on population genetics, not racial categories. His work reminds us of the importance of ethical anthropology, a stepping stone for modern discussions on human diversity. Book sources: 1. Primary source: Blumenbach, J. F. De Generis Humani Varietate Nativa. The original work where Blumenbach introduced his five-race classification. Available in Latin, with some English translations. Blumenbach, J. F. On the Natural Varieties of Mankind. An expanded edition of his earlier work, providing further arguments on human diversity. 2. Books on Blumenbach and racial classification. Bendische, T. The Anthropological Treatises of Johann Friedrich Blumenbach. A collection of Blumenbach's writings, including his racial classification theories. Stocking, G. W. Race, Culture, and Evolution, Essays in the History of Anthropology. Discusses Blumenbach's influence on early racial theories and anthropology. Sloan, P.R. From Natural History to Anthropology, Blumenbach and the Evolutionary Anthropology of the Enlightenment. Examines Blumenbach's role in shaping modern anthropology. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anthronet Academy, for more insightful content on anthropology.